In this video, I'll show using Acrobat Actions to make low-res proofs from print-ready PDFs. I prefer this method because the proof is a child of the print PDF, rather than export twice, once high-res and again low-res. We'll use the Acrobat feature Save as Optimized PDF, but automate it. First, you need Optimized PDF settings to use. With a print-ready PDF open, go to the File menu. Save as Other. Optimized PDF. In the Settings list, choose Standard as a starting point. Set the compatibility to Acrobat 8 and later. In the category list on the left, click Images. The checkbox next to it should be enabled. Then on the right, set the resolution and quality you want. We'll start with settings for a small file size. For both color and grayscale, set resolution to 72 pixels per inch. Compression JPEG and quality low. Monochrome images 300 pixels per inch is fine, but compression set to CCITT Group 4. The fonts category, disable the checkbox. We don't want to touch fonts to ensure the proof matches the print PDF. Leaving the fonts doesn't increase the file size much, so it's fine. More important is the text doesn't look any different. Also, leave transparency unchecked. In the Discard Objects category, check all except for page thumbnails. It's good to keep those, and they don't take up much space. Discard User Data, check all. Cleanup, compress entire file, and check all. Now save the settings. I'll name it 72 ppi. We won't optimize the current PDF, so click Cancel. Next, make sure your Tools pane is showing. If not, go to the View menu, Show Hide, and select Tools pane. If you don't have Action Wizard in your tools, click the Tools tab. Scroll down a bit to the section Customize. Under Action Wizard, click Add, and it's added to your Tools pane on the right. Any of these tools you can drag to reorder them. I like mine alphabetical, so I'll drag Action Wizard to the top. We're done in the Tools tab, so go back to the PDF. In the Tools pane on the right, click Action Wizard. The Tools pane is replaced by the Actions list. Along the top are choices to work with actions. Click New Action. On the left, click More Tools. Choose Execute JavaScript. Then click the plus and arrow to add it to your action. On the right, click Specify Settings. A window opens with Put Script Title Here. Select and remove that. Download the JavaScript file at the link in the description. Open that in a text editor. This code sets all page boxes to the trim box size. That way the proof looks like it will once printed. No marks or bleeds. Copy all and paste it into the JavaScript window in Acrobat. Click OK to close the JavaScript window. Uncheck Prompt User. That's not necessary. On the left, choose Save and Export. Select Save and click the plus and arrow to add it. Click Specify Settings. Enable Add to Original File Names. In the input, insert after, enter _proof, or any other suffix you prefer. Enable the checkbox PDF Optimizer. Click the button Settings. In the Settings list, choose 72 ppi, the settings we created earlier. Click OK and OK again. Click Save and give the action a name. I'll use Proof 72. Click Save and we'll give it a try. In the Actions list, choose Proof 72. Click Start. The page boxes are set to trim and the PDF is saved with the PDF Optimizer settings. Here's the result. A 30 megabyte PDF is now 1.3 megabytes. That's good for a PDF of many pages, but I also like an action to use on single pages and show more detail. To make another action, start again at Optimized PDF. In the Settings list, choose 72 ppi and change the resolution. And this time, I'll make the quality high. Save that as 150 ppi. Click Action Wizard in the Tools pane. Click Manage Actions. Select Proof 72 and click Copy. Name this one Proof 150. Now click Edit. The JavaScript doesn't change, so no need to touch that. On the right, click Save, then Specify Settings. Next to PDF Optimizer, click Settings and choose 150 ppi instead. Save the action and it's done. Just that easy. Another benefit of Acrobat Actions is they can process more than just the open PDF. With nothing open, click the Tools tab. Select Action Wizard and the action you want to run. Choose Add Files and select the files to process. Click Start and Acrobat gets to work. And there are proof PDFs of the selected files. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe so you're notified of future videos. Also, leave a comment. I always like to hear from you. All feedback is welcome. There are plenty of other tutorials. Click the video or playlist on screen for more. Thank you for watching.